Yeah, it's like it's always a first for something, right?
She a freak in the sheets.
Big, we're gonna do some interviews. I'm sitting down. Yeah, come closer, come closer.
You want a massage or something?
Yeah, we're doing a little massage. You know, this is my first massage from Mick Blue.
Yeah, it's like it's always a first for something, right?
Always the first. Girth, you getting on this? You getting it?
What do you want, a hard or soft?
Yeah, this is great, man. So, what are y'all looking forward to? Most looking forward to at this XMAs?
Well, I think a good time, you know. Seeing all the nice ladies on stage.
And Girth, you're the first. Are you the first Spiegel girl? Is that what I heard? Is that what I heard, Girth?
Hey man, could be.
It could be, but
I don't know the whole roster.
You know what he is? He's the first NBA player.
the first NBA player.
NBA didn't work out for me, so here I am.
Yeah,
He knows how to throw around the balls, you know.
And there's some good ball handlers in this league, let me tell you.
Yeah. You used to be a hockey player because you know how to throw around the stick, right?
Well, I know how to run around the stick. Yes. It's like,
That's good, man. Yeah, I'm trying to learn. What advice would you give to the guys out there who want to learn how to handle the balls and handle the stick?
well, learn how to use it.
Learn how to use it. Yeah.
Yeah, practice.
Practice makes
Like,
perfect.
you know, like hole in one, right?
Boom. Hey, thank you so much. This is Javi Mack with Kiss and Tell. Thanks for watching.